Welcome to Niba Business Enclave, India's biggest online expo. In this video, I will be showing the demo for our visitors. Tap to enter the expo. First of all, you will see this login page to the online expo with the name of the inviter mentioned here. Then type in your full name and your mobile number and then click on the send OTP button. You will immediately get an SMS containing the OTP. Fill it in this field. However, if you don't get the OTP within a short period of time, you can click on this link and provide your email ID. This way you will surely get the OTP through your email. Then fill it in the OTP field and click on login now. Once you are successfully logged in, you will see this lobby page with two options, Expo Hall and the live show. Click on Expo Hall to enter the exhibition. You are now in the home page of Niba Business Enclave. At any point of time, if you have issues or queries regarding anything at all, you can call any of these two numbers. We will be here to assist you. And also you have this chat option where you can drop in your queries and we will guide you. Niba Business Enclave is powered by Aruj Medicals, co-sponsored by Heads Decor, associate sponsors Pashwa Gold, gifting partner KL Traders, and online sponsor is Amazon Pay gift card. Clicking on any of these, you can be redirected to their stall and you can see all of their products here. Coming back to the home page, you can see that there are different categories like lifestyle, food, jewelry, etc. If you don't know where to look for a particular stall, that is, if you don't know which category it exists in, you can scroll down and you can find all the stalls in alphabetical order. Click on the stall that you wish to visit. On the top of the page, you can see the WhatsApp or the contact number. Click on this if you want to clear your queries directly with the exhibitor of the stall. Apart from this, you can also directly chat with the exhibitor of the stall by clicking here. You can type down your queries and send it to them, for which they will immediately reply. Here you have a search bar where you can search for a particular item in the stall. Scroll down and you can see the description of the stall mentioned here. Moving on, here you can see all the products that is available in the stall. These are the various categories that are in the stall that the products are divided into. You can check on any of the boxes to view any particular category in the stall. Coming down to the footer of the page, you can see the address of the exhibitor and also an embedded Google map. Click on this if you need to find out the exact map or the address of the exhibitor. Coming back to the stall, if you want to wishlist any items, you can click on this heart button. You will see that the item will be added to the wish list. If you want to see the product completely, then click on quick look, and here you can see the various images of the product and also some description about the product. You can see that the product is on sale here. In case you need to make a buy, click on add to cart. You can provide the quantity of products that you need to buy, then click on the cart icon. Here you can see all your selected products. You can add more items by going back to the shop, or you can click on proceed to checkout. In this page, fill in all your details and click on place order. You will get a pop-up saying that your order is placed successfully and you will get an SMS to your registered mobile number stating the same. You can do the payment online by scanning the QR code, or you can opt for cash on delivery. The exhibitor will contact you to confirm the mode of payment. The placed orders will be delivered to you within a week or two depending upon your delivery address. You can then go back to the exhibition and continue your search. Hope you have a happy shopping. Thank you.